Hey guys, welcome back to theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Again, it's theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Keep your questions coming. Add me on every social network you can possibly dream of. My email is dan@theclinicaltrialsguru.com. And as far as the social networks, I'm on all the big ones, but recently I've been making a huge push with my Snapchat account. So I'm trying to grow that and build that up. I think there's a lot of potential there for business, for getting real business done, especially as some of these younger people grow up and enter the world of research, which is kind of similar to today's question, or it's related to today's question. It says, for the past 3 years, I've been conducting research for patients with low back disorder. I am the sole investigator. My research entails mostly of what is included in the job duties of a CRA. I'm trying to determine if my experience counts towards years of experience as a CRA. Can this be used as experience to land my first job as CRA? The answer is, and then I'll keep you anonymous, yes. So you should be happy to hear that if you want to be a CRA, which apparently this person does. If you're doing, and this applies to anybody out there, if you're doing something at your research clinic, maybe you're a coordinator, but you've been promoted, and now you're not only coordinating your own studies, but you're also supervising other coordinators and looking at their work. Guess what? That's called quality assurance. Okay, so if you want to be a CRA and they're requiring a couple years of experience in doing similar job duties that a CRA would do, well, guess what? Now you can say that you're doing that, or that you have done that, but you have to change your resume, your CV. Okay, so this goes back to, I like to use the term adaptive CV. Sponsors, we've probably heard of adaptive protocols. That's when they can change the protocol in the middle of a study when they see that it may be more effective to do the study this way, or it may be more feasible for the patients to actually finish the trial if they make a few tweaks. Those are called adaptive trials. Well, we need to have adaptive resumes if we're looking to get jobs as CRAs or as QA or whatever else you can think of. Get creative, try to think about the duties you've done, and try to think about the job that you're going for, and then reverse engineer what you think an employer would want to see from their employees and put that on your resume. And that doesn't mean lie. That means embellish if you have to, but even less so than just embellish. You want to highlight and emphasize the things that are actually pertinent to whoever's going to be looking at it. So if you're applying as a CRA, or if you're applying as a project manager, you're going to be emphasizing different things. For the CRA, you're going to be emphasizing doing QA, making sure that the people you're supervising are following GCP, talking to PIs about the protocol. If you're a project manager, you start emphasizing some more business things, okay? Maybe business development, maybe managing other employees, different things like that. So have an adaptive CV, an adaptive resume if you're a job seeker. I don't need to worry about that because I'm not seeking employment, but I know for many of my audience out there, you guys are, so keep that in mind. Think about who's hiring you, what they want to see, and then reverse engineer your resume to show what they want to see. That doesn't mean lie. It may mean embellish, but even less than that, it means to highlight specifically what they want to see, rather than highlighting everything and then having those specific things that they're looking for kind of buried or hidden in the middle of everything else. Okay, so hopefully that helps. Hopefully it's not confusing enough. Let me know if you need help. I'm still thinking of ways that I can make my CRA Training Academy become a reality. I've been getting lots of emails from you guys, so send me your resumes, and as soon as I have my CRA Training Academy, I will let you guys know. And make sure you subscribe to YouTube and subscribe to the blog. Thanks a lot. Dan from theclinicaltrialsguru.com, and don't forget Snapchat. My username is Dan Sfera. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. Yeah.